Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at MathKook.com. Let's MathKook it up. Hey Kooks, this question says, find the equation in point-slope form of the line containing 3, -1 with m, or slope, equals -2, then graph. All right, so since we are given a point and a slope, that's perfect because what is point-slope form? Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1, y1 represents any point on the graph. So here we have 3, -1. So let's go ahead and label that. This will be our x1, and this will be our y1. And then this here, m, is our slope of -2. So let's go ahead and plug those guys in here. And notice they want the equation in point-slope form. So we don't want to change this to slope-intercept form. We're going to keep it in point-slope form. So y minus, and y1 is -1. So we'll go ahead and parentheses -1 equals our slope, m here, which is -2. And then we have x minus x1. What is x1? It is 3. So we just plug in 3. All right. Now, if we wanted to simplify this, I would write this as y plus 1. But there's not much else we want to do because we want to keep it in point-slope form, which is what the question is asking for. So now this is simplified in point-slope form. All right. So next they want us to graph this equation. So let's bring up our graph here. Now to graph, we can start at the point that they give us, which in this case is 3, -1. So whenever you graph a line that's in point-slope form, start with the point that's given. In this case, it's 3, -1. So we'll go right 3, down 1. So right there, we'll go ahead and put our dot there. And from there, we will use the slope to find other points on the line. In this case, the slope is -2. Now, I like to write the slope as a rise over run. So if I write -2, I'm going to write that as -2 over 1. So I'm going to rise -2, which means I'll go down 2, and then I'll go run, or in this case, we'll go right 1 because it's positive. So we're down 2 and right 1 from our point. So we'll go down 2. So that'll take us here. So that's -2. Then we'll go right 1. So now our point is right there. And then the opposite is true. You could go up 2 and left 1. So if I went up 2, 1, 2, and then left 1, I would have a point right there. So let's draw that point. All right, so now we have plenty of points. You only need 2 points for a line. We did 3 points, but you could do as many as you like. So now we'll just draw our line here, and that will be our answer. All right, so this is our graph of this equation of the line in point-slope form. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit MathKook.com. Thanks for watching.